Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to select business type on Made in China B2B. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for Made in China. Then click on the first link that pops up. So once you're here, you're going to click on account section on the top right corner since we're signed up. Then click on my account right under your name. Then here we're going to click on company info. Then we're going to scroll downwards and click on edit. So we're going to scroll downwards and go to the business type section. So you guys could click as much as you want. There's no limits to it, basically. So depending on your sector, you're going to click on it. So once you're done, you're going to click on save. So this is how you choose your business type. Since we didn't insert other infos, that's why it's appearing as red. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I will see you again. Goodbye.